What's your name again?
Jalon.
Jalon?
Yeah.
All right, I'm Matthew. It's the Corvette. I'm going to show you how fast it goes.
You gonna put my seatbelt on as well?
I think so. So this is the new Corvette C8.
Uh-huh.
Now, when Corvettes were being made, C5, C6, C7s, all the older ones had the engines up front.
Yeah.
They're made for old men. You see an old man driving
just
along.
cruising along.
This is made for kids. It's got cameras everywhere.
Oh.
So look at this. See his mirror here?
Yeah.
See your face?
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing.
Yep. You can put a chip down here. It's got, when you open this up, you put a chip here, record your lap times, and you can't really see, but there's a pop-up here where you can see my speed and my shift.
Oh, that's amazing.
So put that on there. And watch this. Watch the dash. Put it on track. This is a race car. This is an American version of a race car. It's pretty damn good.
I believe it.
I think it's 26 miles to the gallon, but today we're only getting 7.
Oh, that's all good, man.
Let me turn the auto off. Manual. All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna boogie.
Let's get it.
Look at that. I don't know how it does that, but look at that. It's like there's a camera above. Look at
It
this.
is. It looks just like it.
Go fast now, all right?
All right. Very good. The wheels is very good too with the drifting. You don't really feel it.
I'll buy one. Car of the year.
I believe it. This is 2021?
Brand new, just came out.
This is nice.
Goodbye, buddy.
I'm out.